Given the height of a cat on top of a table to the highest point of a turtle on the ground is 170 centimeters, and the height of the same turtle on the table to the highest point of the same cat on the ground is 130 centimeters, how tall is the table? This puzzle is taken from an elementary student's homework in China. Are you smarter than a Chinese grade schooler? Subscribe for more brain teasers, riddles, and interesting math problems. Take a minute to solve this math problem. Pause the video if you need more time. This math problem requires some algebra to solve. First, we need to make some variables. Let h be the height of the table, and let c and t be the heights of the cat and turtle respectively. From the diagram on the left, we see that the height of the cat plus the table is the same as the height of the turtle plus 170 centimeters. So c plus h is equal to 170 plus t. From the diagram on the right, we see that the height of the turtle plus the height of the table is equal to the height of the cat plus 130 centimeters. So t plus h is equal to 130 plus c. So now we add both equations together. C plus t plus 2h is equal to 300 plus t plus c. Cancelling out c and t and simplifying, we get 2h is equal to 300, which gives us h is equal to 150. So the height of the table is 150 centimeters. And that's how you solve the Chinese homework table problem. Thanks for watching. Check out our other brain teasers in the links on the screen. Want me to solve any particular math problem? Leave a comment below. Until next time.